Hello everybody, my name is Sheep and today we'll solve problem 274 H index. This is a medium problem from top interview 150 LeetCode. Let's get into it. Given an array of integers citations where citations I is the number of citations a researcher blah, 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 is the number of citations a researcher received for their I paper. Return the researcher's H index. According to the definition of H index on Wikipedia, the H index is defined as the maximum value of H, such that the given researcher has published at least H papers that have each been cited at least H times. Oh, okay. So we look at example one over here. All right, we can see that, yeah, our output is 3 because there's the citation with the research paper with 3 citations, the research paper with 5 citations, and the research paper with 6 citations. And so our output is 3. Those are 3 papers. And example 2 is similar. You can see that the output is 1 because there are 2 citations that have been cited once. All right. The constraints are manageable. Let's get into it. So at first, because this problem it depends on like the values of each element, so we can sort our citation array. Let's sort the citations again, citations, and okay. And for int I equals 0, I is less than citations dot size I plus plus. For each element, we'll check if our citations I is less than or equal to the remaining, like is less than or equal to the number of papers with the citations larger than or equal to citations I that stands behind it in the array, right? So if it's smaller than or equal to, say, num size minus I, then okay, let's just add that for precautionary measures. Then our H index would be citations I, right? Oh, we don't have nums, we only have citations. Citations. Int H index equals, let's say, minus 1. Okay. But what if the citation size is larger than the number of remaining citations, right? So that means, for example, we have an array 0, 0, 100, 100, 100. So our H index is not really 100, but it's actually 3, right? Because we have 3 papers with more than 3 citations. So we would replace that with our H index would now be the maximum of our H index and the citations dot size minus I, right? Yeah, so that would be that, and we can return our H index. Let's try to run the code. Uh-huh. Okay, let's put in there for precautionary measures. Yeah, and we can submit the code to see if it runs well, and it got accepted. Yay! So that code is correct, and that is our approach. See you guys in the next video. If there's a way to optimize it, I'll post it in the next video. And have a nice day. Goodbye.